The 2006 Volkswagen Beetle Sport. The VW Beetle rekindled the magic of its legendary namesake and became a ray of sunshine in an all-too-serious car market. The Volkswagen Beetle is among the top 10 best-selling nameplates of all time, ranking right up there with the Ford Model T in terms of numbers sold. The design of Volkswagen's Beetle captures the essence of the original bug. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, leather, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.